Hello guys, today I'm going to walk you through how a group session happens at Happy Doggo. Group session makes a lot of difference in your dog's learning perspective and understanding about a lot of things. You must have a dog you have trained or a trainer has come to your house, trained your dog, but all the training is visible only in your house in closed environments. But when a dog is learning with multiple dogs, they understand how to be good with other dogs, be calm, be peaceful. Today I am training these three dogs, place training. At the same time, Gunny over there is learning how to walk on leash and do stays, while other 20 dogs are sleeping peacefully and calmly. How is this possible? This is only possible when a dog learns to be calm around other dogs. A dog need not keep doing something or the other. Bruno, sit. Good. Sky, place, place. Yes, good boy. A dog needs to understand that he is being given a command and he needs to obey a command. This is Sky. He is 11 months old. He has come to our academy 3 days ago, and today is his first play session. He is a little confused. He is a little happy to get the rewards. He is also not understanding what the place command is. But by end of today's session, our target is he doesn't get curious about Gunny walking there. He doesn't get curious of why Bruno is sniffing the mat there, or he doesn't get curious why Defender, a so-called aggressive dog who bites one of his own family members, is being able to be peaceful around so many dogs, right? This perspective is something which will help dogs understand to obey you as a parent. In places where there are multiple dogs, in places where there are restaurants, other people are there, motivation is there, a lot of things happening around, right? How are we doing this? First, these dogs are be rewarding only when they are at their designated place. These dogs are back to back being reinforced to come back to their designated place, and every time they do, they get a heart full of reward to make them understand that this place is more rewarding than any place else in the academy right now. Whereas if you concentrate on Gunny, there are so many dogs over here who are getting constant treats, but that kiddo is showing amazing progress by being in stay, not concerned whether the treats are going to come from me or anywhere else. This is what a group training session at Happy Doggo looks like. And this is why we master at behavior, and we make sure that commands is not the only thing dogs are learning. They are learning how to behave. They are learning how to perform under different situations and different places with different people and different dogs around them. This is what is called behavioral society education. This is not training, bro. This is not something a normal trainer can come to your house and do. This is behavioral education. Firstly, you will not have so many dogs at home to do socialization. Secondly, you cannot have this kind of environment created at your home to cover something which take 3-4 hours, get it done in 1 hour. Please understand the difference between training commands and making your dog educated enough to obey and live in human society. While we do this and Bruno tear that mat, let me get back to the training. Bye bye. Take care. Bruno, please.